How's it going, everyone? So I just showed you guys the meals for my spaghetti. That's 1,500 calories. I showed you guys my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that are 840 calories. Together they're 840. Now I'm going to show you guys the shake, the 1,100 calorie shake, and I'll have 2 of these per day. Because believe it or not, when you guys are trying to bulk, you're trying to get in that many calories, it's very tough to do it with whole foods. Now I myself, I get very hungry, I can eat whole foods. I do this simply because it's easy for me. It doesn't take up a lot of my time. When I was meal prepping before, I would go through 4, 5, 6 containers per day of meals, and that was just getting, the amount of meals I needed is just, I don't like meal prepping that much. I like doing one meal, freezing it, taking it out, it's done, and then I'll have 2 of these shakes. So let's go over how many servings I have. Whey protein, you guys. I get KZ Natural Whey Protein, 35 grams for 1 serving, you guys. 35 grams. Now, I'm not quite sure if this is on Amazon, but I'll try to find it. If I do find it, it will be in the description box if you guys want to buy this stuff. Again, I don't like any other whey protein except for ones that give me 35 grams per serving. And guess what? I get 4.4 pounds, and you get this at Costco for $50. On sale, they're $40. So when they're on sale, I'll buy a lot of them, you guys. But again, you will never find a cheaper price. I looked on a lot of different websites. I'm pretty sure on bodybuilding.com, you guys, you can buy some of similar size, but I think they're like $60 or $70 or $80. So I mean, this is good stuff. I love it. I've been using it for a long time. So again, 1 serving of this ice cream. That's right, you guys. We're eating 5,000 calories a day. Soon I will be upping it to 55, then 6,000. When I get up to around 200 pounds, no doubt in my mind I will be at about 7,000 calories. So anyways, ice cream, 1 serving, and again, it's not going to kill us. We're eating 5,000 calories, you guys. So one serving of ice cream, which again is only 100 calories. 1 banana, 1 serving of milk, 2 servings of extra virgin olive oil. And again, the olive oil gives you healthy fats. You need this, and again, you won't really taste it. 4 servings of oats. I'll tell you guys a quick trick what you can do with your oats. A lot of you guys lack protein, and you guys keep saying, how do I get easy protein? How do I get easy protein? Get protein from foods that are high in carbs, but they're high in protein. Look at oatmeal, you guys. 4 grams for oatmeal. Guess what? 4 servings, that's 16 grams of protein. I'll have 8 servings of oatmeal a day. That's 32 grams. But here's the kicker. You buy this at Costco. You can buy, I'm pretty sure, 20 pounds of oats or 10 pounds of oats for like $4. So literally, that will last you forever. Eating 8 servings per day, you guys. Like, it's probably the same price as like rice. Like, it's extremely cheap, but you get a crazy amount of protein. So that's a tip, you guys. Just like my spaghetti. Spaghetti is very cheap, but it does have protein. It has around, I think, 4 or 5 grams. So getting your protein from your oats, your spaghetti, that still counts. Like for this meal right here, that's only 2 servings of ground beef. That's all I have for my protein. 2 servings of ground beef, 2 servings of whey protein, and then guess what? I have 260 grams of protein for the day. Seriously. And the bread, 4 servings of bread, 4 grams a piece, 16 grams of protein. So there's other ways to get protein in your diet other than buying or having 6 servings per day and having like 10 chicken breasts. You don't need that, you guys. 2 servings per day. This will last me 1 month, you guys. 1 month for $50, and again, $40 on sale. So that's not bad. That's very cheap, you guys. And then the ground beef is around $20, and that will last me about a week and a half, so around $40. So all my protein, you guys, is under $100 for the month. So very cheap, I think, if I'm doing the math right. Now I'm going to tell you guys another quick tip. I'm not actually gonna, I'll show you guys a snippet of what it looks like at the end, but I'm not gonna show me blending everything. That will be boring. But I'm gonna tell you guys another quick tip for saving money. This banana, you guys, I can get 14 or 15 of these bananas for like $2. Okay, so this gives me around 100 calories, 15, that's 1,500 calories for around $2, $2.50. Look at this big bag of strawberries. Freaking huge, 1.75 kilograms. That's almost 4 pounds of strawberries. You get this at Costco, you guys, for about, how much is it, babe, for strawberries? I think it's like 10, $15 or
10. It's $10. So $10 for $10 for 4 pounds. So you guys are thinking, wow, like that's a crazy deal. This is so cheap. This is a freaking ripoff. Horrible, horrible, horrible ripoff. How can we tell? This is what I've been telling you guys for bulking and trying to get your foods in. If you take, yeah, you get 4.4 pounds, which you get almost 4.4 pounds. It's almost 2 kilograms. But here's the thing. You get 50 calories, you guys. So for 140 grams, you get 50 calories. So if you do the math, and I've done the math on this, you guys, you take around 4.4, I think it comes out to 4.1 pounds, and then you times it by 440 because there's 440 grams in a pound roughly. And then you take that number, you divide it by 140, you get 12 servings, you guys. So if you have strawberries every single day, or if you have 2 of these servings a day, let's say one for my morning shake, one for my evening shake, this is gonna cost me $10 for 6 days. That banana, 15 bananas for $2 lasts me over a week. So again, this is a ripoff. That is cheap. So again, even though it looks crazy, guess what? It could be a ripoff. Another amazing example, great example. You take peanut butter. Peanut butter is the key for bulking. I cannot say this enough. What I do for peanut butter is I have four slices on my my bread, but I will also have I'll eat 3 servings out of a spoon, or 4 servings out of a spoon. So I'll get like 8 servings of peanut butter a day. You get 4.4 pounds, but guess what? You get 90 calories for only 15 grams. So if you do the math and you go 4.4 times 440 grams, and then you divide that by 15, you get 139 servings of peanut butter. So if you actually add that up, you get, I think, 11 or 12,000 calories for about $6. That's cheap, 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 cheap. You get all your calories. They're not bad calories either. Peanut butter isn't that bad for you. So end the video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll show you a snip clip about what it actually looks like when it's done. Thanks. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna blend it. Yeah! Gotta add some water, guys. 1 cup of water. Gotta test it out. Tastes amazing. 1,100 calories. I could probably drink this all right now. Look at that. That tastes delicious. What? No. Like, my fiance just asked me, can you taste olive oil? No, you can't. That's the thing. If you have that much ingredients and you add 2-3 servings of olive oil, you're not going to taste it. A lot of people are going to say, ooh, gross, gross. You don't even taste it. But here's the thing. Olive oil is extremely healthy. It's cheap. And guess what? It's good fats, healthy fats. You want these kind of fats. But on top of that, you're getting calories, 80 calories, you guys. I just put 160 in here. If I need more calories, when I go up to 6,000 calories, 7,000 calories, guess what? Instead of having 2 servings or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm going to have 4 or 5. And that just right there gives me an extra 250, 320 calories. So again, getting the calories, it's very simple. What I like to do though is, for me, it's how convenient is it for me to do this? Very convenient. It takes me 2 minutes, and I can almost drink this all right now. So again, tastes amazing. The ice cream, everything, it's good. One tip I will give you though, I actually put the oatmeal away. But for the oats, a lot of people will say grind them up first. Don't do that. Just put them in as is. Don't grind them up. This is how mine comes out too. Yes, there's some little bit of oatmeal on the sides, and I'll just kind of wipe that off after and drink it. But
Don't grind it up. It tastes exactly the same. The only thing is that if you grind it up and you add everything, it might stick. So just put the oatmeal in near the end. Don't put it in first. Put it in near the end. Then it won't clump together on the bottom. That's what I did, and guess what? None of it clumped to the bottom. So I'm done that, you guys. I made the video. Not even 3 minutes to drink it. It tastes phenomenal. Here's the thing, though. You really don't see any oatmeals on the bottom. Yeah, you're going to see the oatmeal on the side, of course, because you blended it up. But a lot of people, when they make these shakes, you drink it, but then you get the whole clump on the bottom, and that's disgusting. So my tip is, put the oatmeal in near the end. Put it in very last. The way that I did it is I just put the whey protein in last just because that's where it was. Put the oatmeal in at the very end, the last ingredient, and guess what? You ain't going to get any lumps at all, and you're not going to get any stuff. And guess what? It tastes amazing. Some other tips that you can do, and I'm going to mess around with the formula a little bit, but you can put, hang on a sec. You can add more ice cream. You can add 2 servings of ice cream if you want. And then you can add this if you want. You can add some Nesquik. Nesquik's actually not too bad for you, and that will give it a little more of a taste. And again, we're eating 5, 6, 7,000 calories, you guys. Trust me, 1 serving of Nesquik isn't going to kill you. So end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy this. Try this shake out. It's 1,100 calories. I can drink it pretty easily, you guys. But again, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Have a great day, and thank you guys again.